My name is Anna Kim. How did I become a victim online? I had a simple profile and many followers. One night I got an anonymous message. It said a secret about my friend. I opened the message and I was shocked. I made a screenshot and I sent it to 2 friends. Then one message became many. The notification sound did not stop. People wrote fast. Some wanted proof. Some wanted to block the person. I felt cold and small. I felt betrayed by a hidden face. However, the post went viral in hours. I lost control of the post and of my feelings. I want to tell you what happened. I want to tell you everything slowly, so you can learn and feel the truth too. I check my phone at night. A notification blinks on my screen. It is from an anonymous account. The message says my friend lied to everyone. The message has one screenshot. I look at the screenshot. I feel a strong cold inside. I have many followers. I want to tell them. I want to be first. I want more likes. I think the truth will help me. I post the screenshot on my profile with one line. I write, "Is this true?" I press send. The post gets many likes. People leave short comments. A few people say, "Expose her." A few people say, "Block her." I read every comment. I read them slowly. I feel my hands shake. My friend calls me. She says, "Why did you post that?" I say, "I saw the picture." She cries. She says, "You betrayed me." I feel hurt by her words. But I also feel sharp joy. My follower count moves up. The notification sound is loud. I check the profile that sent the message. It looks like a catfish. The profile has no photo. It is anonymous. I tell myself I must be honest. I tell my followers I want the truth. I ask for proof again. People write and share more screenshots. The story grows. It moves fast. My friends text me. Some want me to stop. Some want me to go on. I feel small and big at the same time. I do not sleep. I open the messages all night. I plan to expose the truth in the morning. I will show what I have. I will show the screenshots to more people. The day will bring new followers and new words. I think the truth will solve this. I do not know the cost yet. Morning comes and the post is bigger. My phone says the post is viral. I have new followers. People write fast. Some write mean words. Some write, "She lied." My friend calls again. She is quiet. She asks, "Who told you?" I say, "An anonymous account." She sounds tired. I send another screenshot to my chat. I want to prove the story is true. A follower writes, "Send more." I send a new screenshot. I do not check where it comes from. Later, someone sends me a private message. The message says the screenshots were fake. The account that sent them is a catfish. I feel a rush of heat. My heart beats fast. I ask, are they lying? Many people reply. Some call me a liar. Some call me brave. I read a comment that says, "Why did you expose her?" I feel stuck. I try to explain in a new post. I write, "I shared what I had." I add, "I am sorry if it is wrong." A screenshot of my post appears on another profile. Then more screenshots appear. People make new posts. The story moves from friend to friend. Notifications do not stop. I feel a pressure in my chest. My friend loses work. She loses clients. She writes to me, "You helped to hack my life." I read the words again. They hurt. I think of blocking the hurt. I think of blocking the people. My mind moves to one plan. I want to find the catfish. I want to expose the catfish. I ask a follower for help. He says, "I can hack the profile." I do not want real hacking words. I just want the truth. He sends me a link. I click. The link opens a new page. It looks like a profile of my friend. I see old photos. I think I have proof. I send them to my chat. I feel power and fear. A small number of people now call me the exposer. They cheer me. More followers say, "Expose her." I taste a slow victory. But a small voice in me says, "Be careful." I ignore that voice. The wind moves and the post goes on. The internet will not forget what we post. I will learn that truth in the hard next hours. The night after the post I sit alone. My room is dark. My phone glows. My follower number climbs. I feel proud and sick. My friend writes a long message. She says, "You used a fake account." I read her words. I know now she thinks I was the catfish. I feel my mouth go dry. I remember a small plan I had weeks before. I remember making an anonymous profile. I wanted to see her true face. I made the profile to talk to her. I wanted to find a secret. I told myself I would expose her. I wanted to hurt her for a small past wrong. I wanted more followers then. I wanted people to see me as right. I never thought the post would go viral. I never thought she would lose so much. I am the one who sent the first screenshot. I am the one who wrote the anonymous messages. I am the villain. I read each word slowly. My friends now send me screenshots of my old messages. I see my own voice. I see my own jokes that became sharp. Followers call me a catfish too. They say, "You did it for likes." I feel ashamed. I delete some posts. I write an apology post. I try to explain. I say, "I am sorry, I was wrong." Many people do not believe me. Some write, "You lied to us." Some write, "You hurt her on purpose." My friend writes, "Why did you do this?" I write back, "I wanted to expose a lie. I wanted followers. I wanted to be seen." The words taste empty in my mouth. I stand up and I breathe. I decide to make one true action. I message the followers. I tell them the whole truth. I tell them I made the anonymous profile. I tell them I made the screenshots. A few people block me. A few say, "Thank you for truth." My phone gives a long silence. I feel small and free at once. I know I must face the harm. I must say sorry to the one I hurt. I must watch her life. I must help to put her name clean. I must learn how to be honest online. I also must learn how to say no to a cruel plan. After the confession, I try to fix the harm. I talk to my friends slowly. I write a long apology on my profile. I delete the fake account. I give back the screenshots and the proof that I used them. I work to stop the viral posts. I ask my followers to help me remove the photos. I ask the sites to block the anonymous profile. I learn to never chase followers with lies. I learn the words catfish, profile, screenshot, and block in a new way. I learn the cost of a viral post. The lesson is clear and simple. The internet can hurt fast. A notification can change a life. Now I choose honesty. I choose to fix things and to help her heal. For you who learn English, read this slow. Use kind words online. Do not click a cruel link. Do not make a fake profile. Be careful with screenshots and posts. Tell the truth. Say sorry when you must. We can learn and change. That is my real hope.